Hey y'all, Kathryn here. Welcome to day 2 of our 10-day creativity challenge. Today we're talking about changing the tempo. So the tempo is how fast or how slow you play a song. So the speed in which we play a song. Do you play all of your songs the same speed? Have you thought about your tempo before? One of the first reasons I actually started playing the ukulele, or why I wanted to try it out, was in my own songwriting. So I was writing songs on the piano, playing and singing, and I noticed that all my songs are like kind of the same tempo, and just there was something about the instrument and that point of time where I was like doing this really medium tempo for everything. And I picked up a ukulele and it just kind of let me play a bunch of different rhythms and tempos. So we're going to talk about tempo today, and I'm going to show you an example of a well-known song and what that sounds like. So let's take a look at Amazing Grace. So we usually play this. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. What if we speed it up, for example? Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Ooh, completely different feel. You know, changes the energy, maybe changes some of the meaning, or we can slow it down even more, perhaps. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Maybe we're out of time a little bit rubato. So your assignment for day 2 is to take a song you know really well and play with the tempo. Maybe you slow it down, maybe you speed it up, or both. Try it out, see what you like, see if it gives you some fresh perspective on that song, and let me know how it goes. I will see you soon in day 3. Ukulele Wine Time.